Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting launch of the GoPro Max 360. If you're a tech enthusiast or love staying updated with the latest gadgets, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the new model. The GoPro Max 360 is the latest addition to the GoPro family, bringing some impressive features to the table. Since 2025, GoPro has been making waves in the action camera market, and the Max 360 continues this trend. One of the standout features is enhanced stability. This means you can capture smooth, shake-free footage even in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or riding a bike on rough terrain, the GoPro Max 360 will ensure your footage is steady and professional looking. Alongside this, the GoPro Max 360 comes with AI editing capabilities. This feature allows you to create stunning videos with minimal effort, as the AI takes care of the editing process for you. It can automatically select the best shots, apply effects, and even suggest music to match the mood of your video. Another highlight is the cold weather battery. The GoPro Max 360 is equipped with a 1,600 mAh Enduro battery, designed to perform well even in low temperatures. This ensures you can capture all your adventures without worrying about battery life, whether you're exploring snowy landscapes or hiking in cold climates. When it comes to mounting, the GoPro Max 360 is compatible with standard tripod mounts. This makes it easy to set up and start shooting, no matter where you are. You can use it with a variety of accessories to capture unique angles and perspectives. The video quality is top-notch, with the ability to shoot 5.6K 360-degree video, 1440p video, and 12MP photos. This ensures you can capture every detail in stunning clarity. The 360-degree video feature allows you to create immersive content that can be viewed from any angle, giving your audience a truly interactive experience. For audio, the GoPro Max 360 features a 6-mic setup with wind noise reduction. This ensures your audio is clear and free from unwanted background noise, making your videos sound as good as they look. Whether you're recording dialogue or capturing the sounds of nature, the audio quality will be impressive. In terms of pricing, the GoPro Max 360 is available in India for 38,500 Indian rupees. This competitive price point makes it an attractive option for those looking for a high-quality action camera that won't break the bank. The GoPro Max 360 also comes with some exciting app updates. The Quick app now includes AI-powered object tracking, keyframing, and camera FX effects. These features allow you to take your video editing to the next level, creating professional quality content with ease. The AI-powered object tracking ensures that your subject stays in focus, while the keyframing feature allows you to add dynamic movements to your videos. In summary, the GoPro Max 360 offers enhanced stability, AI editing, a cold weather battery, compatibility with standard tripod mounts, high-quality video and audio, and exciting app updates, all for a competitive price of 38,500 Indian rupees. Since 2025, GoPro has continued to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with action cameras. We'd love to hear your thoughts about the GoPro Max 360 and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.